This tutorial will show you how to automate text in Capcut Mobile online for smartphone completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. The first step to automate text in Capcut Mobile is to open up Cut app. For step is to click this blue icon right here. Once you're at the bottom left hand screen where it says edit, project. Find and locate the piece. This tutorial is going to show you how to automate text, and then basically you want to deselect your video by just clicking on the timeline. So the text icon or option, which is the third, is here and selected. So click on it. I'm going to click the second option, which says auto captions. Basically, we're going to leave this the same, and then we want to click generate at the bottom hand screen. Basically, if you go under to templates, you can scroll to the right. You can see you can change the text to these different ones. As you can see, some pro features and some of them are free features. This one next to this pro feature, click that, and then we're going to click generate at the bottom. Trust me, the before and after is going to absolutely blow your mind. This is if you want to edit the text, you can click the text. Click right here, the second option where it says style. You have a whole list of different fonts or styles. In this case, I'm going to click style and add a stroke. This one right here. You can scroll down and adjust the size of the text, adjust the stroke as well, and see, and add a glow, etc. And then once you're happy or satisfied, click this check mark. You can export the video on the top right hand screen, this icon right here, or should I say this is the before. This tutorial is going to show you how to automate text in Capcut Mobile completely for free, like you're currently seeing here. This is the after. This tutorial is going to show you how to automate text in Capcut Mobile completely for free, like you're currently seeing here. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.